Winning the lottery sounds like the ultimate dream, but for most people, it's actually a nightmare. In fact, majority of the lottery winners end up going broke. Welcome to the first episode of the Money Talks mini-series. Within this series, you're going to get bite-sized nuggets that you can take with you throughout your life. But if you want deeper dive topics, then I encourage you to review the YouTube catalog and find out what you like and enjoy and are interested in. Alright, so without further ado, let's walk through why this happens. Most people see the lottery as instant freedom. Think of nice cars, luxury mansions, designer clothes, etc. And they think that they never have to worry about bills again. But the truth is, they do. Think about it. If you don't have discipline with thousands of dollars, how can you have discipline with $1 million? Because sudden wealth doesn't fix habits, it just amplifies your existing habits that you're currently doing. It's just like pouring gasoline on the fire that's already burning. What it does is it spreads it. Most people that win the lottery do not have a financial plan. They suddenly have no boundaries, no system, and just passing out money to friends and family. Now I understand where they're coming from. They want to give back and help out friends and family, but you must have a system. And the thing is this happens over and over again. That also reminds me that in this video above, I talk about money systems. Even if you don't currently work 2 jobs, I encourage you to check it out. But here's the reality. Money without a system disappears. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep, protect, and grow. That's why building wealth slow matters. Step by step, brick by brick, and with the right foundation. It might not feel flashy in a moment, but it's the discipline that actually lasts. So don't wait for the lucky ticket. Start building wealth now on Money Talks Media. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.